Here is our list of the top 5 best smart glasses you can get right now. The Halliday AI glasses with invisible display are smart glasses that discreetly integrate AI into everyday eyewear. Featuring a 3.6mm DG window display embedded in the frame, they project a virtual 3.5-inch screen visible only to the wearer, preserving privacy. The proactive AI assistant offers real-time translation, navigation, note transcription, notifications, anticipating user needs without prompts. Designed for all-day comfort, they support prescription lenses and include controls via voice, touch, or a discrete ring. With over 12 hours of battery life and a sleek lightweight build, these glasses offer a seamless stylish fusion of technology, utility, and user-centered design. The Even Realities G1 are lightweight stylish eyewear that discreetly integrates digital features into daily life. Using the holistic adaptive optical system, they project a crisp green monochrome display onto waveguide lenses, delivering notifications, real-time translation, turn-by-turn navigation, and a teleprompter. The glasses include a voice-activated AI assistant, quick note for transcribing voice memos, and intuitive touch controls. Designed for comfort, they support prescription lenses and are built from magnesium and titanium alloys. With Bluetooth connectivity, 1.5 days of battery life, and strong privacy compliance, the Even Realities G1 balances advanced functionality with minimalist user-friendly design. The XReal Air 2 Pro glasses deliver a premium immersive AR experience through dual Sony micro-OLED displays with a 120Hz refresh rate and 46 degrees field of view. They offer adjustable electrochromic dimming for varied lighting, directional speakers for cinematic sound, and precise color calibration for vivid visuals. Comfortable for all-day wear, the glasses feature balanced weight distribution, customizable nose pads, and TÜV Rheinland certification for eye comfort. With USB-C plug-and-play connectivity, they support a wide range of devices. Pairing with the XReal Beam Pro unlocks spatial computing, transforming 2D apps into a 3D viewing environment. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses combine iconic Ray-Ban style with Meta's advanced technology, offering hands-free functionality in a familiar eyewear form. Key features include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 5-microphone array, open-ear speakers, and a voice-activated Meta AI assistant. Users can capture photos in 1080p videos, live stream to Facebook or Instagram, enjoy music and calls, and translate languages in real time. With styles like Wayfarer and Headliner, over 150 frame and lens combinations, and up to 36 hours of battery life with the charging case, these glasses provide immersive functionality while maintaining a comfortable, stylish, and discreet design for daily wear. The TCL RayNeo X2 are sleek lightweight smart glasses designed to deliver a practical augmented reality experience in a familiar eyeglass form. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 chip, they feature full-color micro-LED waveguide displays, a 16-megapixel camera, and AI-driven tools. Key functions include real-time multi-language translation, SLAM-based navigation, gesture control, hands-free media capture, and smart notifications. With stereo speakers, whisper mode, and 3-hour battery life, they offer immersive audio and user privacy. The RayNeo X2 blends high-performance AR with intelligent assistance for productivity, communication, and real-world interaction, targeting everyday on-the-go use.